Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Erica. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to be talking about this hair, this company called SoGoodHair. They sent me over their 3 bundles and a closure, which are in the lengths from closure to bundles, a 12-inch, 14, 16, and an 18. This is their 100% virgin Remy hair, and like, this hair is really good. When I received the hair, it only took 3 days. They sent it December 17th, and I got it on the 20th of December. So it was pretty fast shipping. The customer service is really good. They were really nice when they were talking to me. They were really respectful and polite when they were speaking to me and answering my questions, because y'all know I don't do well with people who are rude. But yeah, when I got this hair, it didn't come in a box or anything. It just came individually packaged in a UPS package. So it wasn't anything else. It wasn't in a box or anything. It just came individually wrapped inside of a UPS bag. But that's okay, you know, it's fine, because the quality of this hair makes up for anything. So what I got in the bag was just some eyelashes, which I used in my previous video, my makeup routine. So make sure you check that out, because I did use their eyelashes on there. Their eyelashes were so pretty. Very pretty, like the prettiest eyelashes I've ever received when it comes to getting hair. When I received this hair smelled like so good. Like, it smelled clean, y'all. You know, when you get hair, it has like this smell to it that, like, it doesn't stink, but it just has a smell to it. But when I got this hair, it just smelled clean. I haven't even washed this hair at all. This is literally straight out of the package. All I did was straighten it, and, you know, I washed the closure and bleached the closure and plucked the closure to make it look like my scalp. But other than that, this hair is like really great. The quality of this hair is very good. There's no shedding. Like, I literally don't get any shedding, and I made this into a wig. So this unit is literally cut up and glued onto a wig cap. So yeah, no shedding. That's crazy. There's no shedding on this hair. Like I said, this hair is 100% virgin Remy hair, so you can bleach it, you can dye it, you can curl it and everything. I haven't curled this hair or anything because it's straight, and I just want straight hair. The color of this hair is a dark brown. It's literally brown, but it looks black. Probably in the sunlight will it look brown, but besides that, this hair is a chocolate brown. It's so beautiful. This is like some gorgeous hair. I'm not used to wearing closures anymore. I'm used to actually wearing frontals now, which is pretty crazy, because I used to wear only closures, but now I'm like into frontals and stuff like that. So when I got this closure, I didn't really know what to do with it. And me personally, I don't like middle parts on myself, but it came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think about it. I will leave all the information about this hair in the description box. There's literally no shedding, you guys, so that really makes me excited to continue to wear this hair, because I hate shedding. I hate it. But this hair literally has none. So yeah, there's no tangling, anything like that. I can put my fingers right through it. No tangles. Just pretty much straight. And this is literally out of the package. Have not washed the bundles at all. So yeah, beautiful hair. Literally, y'all, no shedding. That's amazing. Make sure you guys check this hair out, and everything will be in the links below in the description bar. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and make sure you tune into my next video.